folks, welcome or welcome back. Happy Saturday. We're doing our self-care stuff. We have date night back, our Tinies with coins, and where she needs to be. This is Shut the Fridge 2.0 by Mish Money. All right, so we are doing 10 for Shut the Fridge. We have our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our prop money. I'm going to do all of this at the beginning so I don't forget. For our Tinies, I'm using my mini quarters prop money. And we have $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll put to the side. If we finish any, we'll switch it out for the real dollars and put it in the completed. And then date night, we're doing $10. This is the real cash. We're putting the prop in the binder. Okay, let's start with our date night. Date night is by She's Got It. This is so pretty. Where are we at? We finished section 1 and section 2. We're on section 3. All right, let's go. Hope everyone is having a lovely Saturday. I don't know why that accent came out. I don't know. I did it again. Anyway, we are just having a nice, relaxing day, saving some monies, and have a little fun. I'm gonna put that in there. That is done. I usually do one icon. I guess I could have split it up, but I want to finish section 3 before I go on. And that's our last section, section 4, so almost done. Let's get our little charm out of here. That's so cute. Love it. Okay, so that's done. I think we're gonna go with our Tinies. I have not opened this in a while, so we're gonna see what we got going on. Let's see. Our little dashboard is from Save with Glow on YouTube. And okay, I don't know what we got in here. We just gonna go with it. There we go. This one should be empty. Yes. Okay. So I want to do the shut the box first. But we're going to put these out. Is there anything in here? Yes. Put this to the side. So we have 5. And I want to do this first. Oh. This is from Shelly's Crafty Corner. And where's my other one? There it is. So it comes with 2 and the envelope with it. Okay, isn't that pretty? This one, we're just marking off the numbers. So that's why this is here. I'm gonna put that actually inside the envelope so I remember. Uh-oh. It went in there last time. Okay, that's fine. And then this one, I actually want to do the shut the box version. So I love doing multiple things, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's do green, maybe. Let's see what we got. 3. Okay. A 6. A 4. Okay. A 1. A 3. Okay. So of course we're doing the each with low income. That's what I'm trying to say. So we missed 2. So that is 50 cents. That's how we're going to do it. I think that's going to make me very happy. So we'll put this on the outside of the envelope. Okay, like that. So why is that not fitting in? You know what? There we go. All right. So we have 5 left. I tried to mix them up. We're gonna roll a 6-sided. We get a 6, we roll again. Kind of don't want to do that. Let's do this. 4, 2. Oh, wait a minute. I did say 6. Roll again. 2, 3. Yeah. 3. 1. I don't know why this process makes me so happy. 4. 6. Come on. 1, 4, and 5. All right. Move these out the way. See what we got going on. All right, this is Wild Everest. And she only needed 2. What we got in here? We got that. So we're gonna do what do we want to do? What do we want to do? They're gonna make both of these 50 cents and call it good. Yep. So we are doing, yeah. And we'll mark them off. And we are done. So for this one, doing quarters, we have $1.50, $2. Okay. $2 and what is today? The 25th. So I'm gonna put the date up here. Done. Perfect. All right, what we got next? Lemon ivy. Okay, and we got 4. So let's just go ahead and do the 4. This pretty little lady. There we go. That works. This is so cute. What we got in here? We have $1.75. I'm going to swap that out and put it back. Come on. All right. She lives another day. Come on, get in there. I need things to cooperate today. All right, our next one is neurospicy budgeting. And we got 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more, and that one is done. We're gonna swap this out for $1 prop. And then just to save room, we're gonna switch this out. All right. One more week, and this will be done. Cool. Oh, get in there. All right, what do we got? This one is, did I say? Okay. This is Creative Space 93. That is the Etsy shop for Budget with Taylor on YouTube. We got 3. All right. So we're gonna, that one was already done. I need something darker. One, that was already done. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and we're gonna swap this out for $1. Okay. Going in there. Okay. Last but not least, we have Empress Foxy. And we just started this one. So there's only one in there. Okay. So we marked that one off. And she got 3 today. So 1, 2, and 3. And swapping that for that. It is so pretty. I know it's March. It says March. Still gonna do it. It's pretty. And some things don't bother me when it's out of season in a different month. I don't know how to explain it, but that doesn't bother me. All right, let's go ahead and put these back in. All right, going in there. I may have to see if I have another binder this size. I love this binder. It's a little difficult to use it like I'm using it. Just a tiny bit. All right, now, shut the fridge. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. This is by Mish Money on YouTube and Etsy. And how did I do it? I think I randomized the money and then went, I am using quarters, but I'm just gonna randomize the dollars today. Wasn't I doing quarters? Yeah. I'm gonna randomize the dollars, and then that's how you're gonna figure out what you're getting. All right, 8 sections, 8-sided die, and just gonna roll. I think I like the here. All right, 3, 8. Yeah, I like the sound it makes when it rolls on my pad, desk pad. 6, 5, 6. Come on. 8. Uh-oh. I need other people to get stuff. Okay, that's a 4. That is a 6. 6 is getting all the money. 5. All right, what hasn't gotten money? 1, 2. I think that's it. 1 and 2. Oh, 7 didn't get anything either. And there's a $1. So let's do, I'm gonna do a 4-sided. I have 3 sections that haven't gotten anything. It's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. Who's getting the last $1? 2. And that's the second one that didn't get anything. All right, let's see what we got. Go ahead and put this back here. You guys see good? Well, let's come in a little bit so you can see the sections. All right, section 1 didn't get anything. Still super cute. All right, section 2 got $1, and we're doing these quarters, so let's do let's mark off some numbers, some little chocolate covered strawberries. I think we're gonna do the 3 and the 1. There we go. What do we have here? Just this? I'm gonna leave that. Okay. Section 3 got $1. We haven't done section 3 yet. All right, these are different types of rolls. Coffee. Okay, so let's do, let's mark out some numbers. I think I'm just gonna do the 4. Let's make it easy on ourselves. Okay. All right, section 4. Got $1, and I think we're just gonna mark off this 4. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have another $1? I don't think I do. sec, guys. Okay. I do have these, so I'm going to use this for these 4. And then these 2, I brought out of 50 cents. Now I'm going to have to actually edit. Daggone it. I was not planning on it. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So we have our monies, section 4, and we are good. All right, section 5, got $2, and we haven't done anything on here yet. So let's do this is shut the box. So let's do assign an amount for these 3, and these will be quarters. So for the oranges, it'll be 75 cents. For the dragon fruit, really? 75 cents? Okay, it said 3, so, all right. Okay, the kiwi is 25 cents. Okay, so let's do one of each. So 75, $1.50, $1.75, $2. There we go. I like it. Section 6. Let's see. We have $3. I think I'll do the other one, shut the box. This one I think I want to do mark off. It is a shut the box as well, but let's see. What do I want to mark off? Let's just do the numbers. 3 and 1, that's $1. And then let's do the other 2, the 2 4s. Okay. Okay. So that's 1, 2, and 3. That works. Oh, forgot my 50 cent. I need that. There we go. Section 7. Let's see. We did Drinko last time, so I think we're just going to mark these off as quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to switch these out. Same thing. That's $1.50. Switch them out for 2. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Section 7 didn't get nothing. Well, it's condensed. All right. Last section. We are doing peanut butter jelly time with $2. And we have the grape is 1, the peanut butter is 4, and let's roll. If we get an odd, we'll mark off the jelly. If we get an even, we'll mark off a peanut butter. A 5. Okay. So we're gonna mark off a jelly. Yeah. Let's mark it off. Mark that one off. Ooh, I just realized there's 2 on here that has peanut butter and jelly. I wonder if you have to do a double or... I'm gonna make stuff up. You know I will. Okay, so that's a 1. It got $2, and our 1 is the quarter. So let's see. A 5. So we're gonna do another jelly. Okay. Another 5. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to assume that is jelly. So that's $1. Yeah. A 1. Come on, I need it even. A 5. Okay. Let's do that. So we're up to $1.50. And we're just gonna mark out these 2. That's $2. So we really have peanut butter left. All right, and then we have $1 in here. I don't have any more of these prop money, so we're going to use this one. All right. That is it. I think I like this on this day a lot better instead of trying to hurry up and do it with the rest of my games. But that is it, folks. We did our Shut the Fridge, our Tinies with Coins, and our date night. We're done for today. All right, I hope you enjoyed something. Even if it's just spending a couple minutes with me, I appreciate it. And come back tomorrow for our Cherrylicious Sunday. Everybody have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.